How to get Alibaba business and wholesale promo codes. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find different kind of promo codes for Alibaba. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser and then go to alibaba.com. Once you are here, you can just go to My Alibaba and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you can go to My Coupons to enter it here. So to find the coupon codes, you can open up a new tab and search for Alibaba coupons. And once you search for it, you can just scroll down here and find this website called Coupon Follow. Tap on it, and you should be able to see all of these options right here. So just tap on the code to view its details, copy the code, tap on Redeem at Alibaba. It will redirect you to your website, and then you can enter the code here when you check out of your item. So if you tap on this checkout button, you will have an option to enter the code somewhere here, and you could just enter the code to save certain amount. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you get promo codes on Alibaba. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.